on the spiritual quality. They are fighting for the economy only.
We
They
are
make
Indian
their
people,
children.
but we are as Indian people.
Hello everyone, my name is Soumya Chaudhary and I am present here to share my opinion on Western culture. In my opinion, Western culture is good and Indian culture is also good, but I am here to share about my opinion on Western culture. So in Western culture, in family, sometimes in Indian culture, sometimes there are the lots of generations are present in one home, like parents, grandparents, and everyone is giving pressurized on the child. But in Western culture, they live in a nuclear family. They didn't get child pressure that you do this, you do that. They didn't control their child. They give freedom to their child to do whatever they want to do. Whatever they want to become, they became. Or after some time, when their parents think that their child is after the age of 12 or 18, they think that my child is mature, my child is able to face the society. They just leave their child to survive and face the society and do something to grow their self.
Right.
So this is the Western culture.
You have said one thing, that in Indian culture we are living in joint family and there's no good caring, you mean. Why did you mention about joint family in Indian culture?
So because in joint family there's a lots of pressure on the child. They become a doctor, become an engineer.
There's no proper caring. What he wants to do, he's not able to do.
Yes.
Right? Okay. I would go to Miss Sabila, say her opinion and have counter question as well.
Hello everyone, this is me Sabila Ali, and today I am in the favor of Indian culture. Indian culture is good. Actually every culture is good, but now as an Indian, so I think
to be proud of India.
yes sir. So Indian culture is good. In Indian culture, as if in the marriage, in India, they celebrate marriage as a festival. They do many rituals. Even the parents are there, their grandparents are there. So they feel like a festival. And but in Western culture, they just go to the court and the couple go to the court.
To be noted.
And they do court marriage. And as an Indian, there are many religion. So, and as there are many religion, there are many festivals that they celebrate. And we shows brotherhood while living 5 or 6 types of religion in India in the same place that we are living. But in Western culture, there is only Christianism, that they are living only one religion. But in India, we are living lots of religion together. So we shows the brotherhood in India. Thank you very much.
One highlighter you might have seen, she was talking about marriage, like it's kind of court marriage and all, and we are celebrating as a festival whenever there's a kind of marriage. Would you like to say anything so that she can talk up to you?
Hello everyone, good morning all the panelists. Thank you CAPSA for having me the opportunity to hear as a panelist today. Firstly, I would like to tell that what is culture. Culture simply means a particular group of people who are performing as per their region, particular language, particular clothing, particular food. These all are come under in the language. Today we are here to discuss on Indian culture versus Western culture. So we are supporter of the Western culture, but it doesn't mean that we are not respecting our culture, that is Indian culture. We are supporting Western culture because to adapting any word to culture of anyone, to adapting the good things is not a bad thing for our Indian culture. And it doesn't mean that we are supporting the Western culture, that we are forgetting our Indian culture. For making our Indian culture superior in all over the world, we have to use some of the good things of other culture, of like Western culture. Like you are mentioning the court marriage. There's a lack of brotherhood in other countries. Our India is famous for unity in diversity, but nowadays there is only diversity in the unity. If you are seeing in the religions, the people are fighting on the Hindu to Muslims, Muslim to Hindu, and of other religion also. There are thousands of language in our country that people are going to speak in India. There are hundred of foods that they are eat. There are hundred of clothing that they wear. In everywhere we are diversified. Just because of Western culture, to adapting their good things, it doesn't mean that we are forgetting our culture. And if you are saying that we believe in unity in diversity, then what is the problem to adapt their good things?
Right.
So I'm not against about the why you are not adapting the good things. No, I'm not against. Modernization is always there. If you are in Western culture or even you are in Indian culture, the modernization you can adapt. You should adapt the modernization.
So you also adopt it.
Yes,
You can
also adapt the Indian culture, and we also adapt
No,
the good thing of the Western culture. But these are not. These things are not in
Sorry
the
for
Western
interrupting
culture.
you. Sorry for interrupting you. But what is bad in the Western culture? If you are speaking English language, it is bad. It is our skill. And if we are going to speak English language, it is very good for us.
Of
The
course.
businessmen who are dealing in the India are going to work in the Western country, and they are very easily communicate with them.
Like, what is wrong in adopting a
And
westernization?
if you are going to see the clothing of any other person, in like you say, the nudity and the many filthy things that comes in our mind when we are thinking about clothing. According to Indian Constitution, Article 19, 20, 21, it is the right of Indian people. It is to wear what they want, to wear what
Yeah, we
they.
have freedom,
Yes,
right?
they can wear anything.
So what is the
they
problem?
want.
It as per the choice of people. It is not the blame.
Yes.
We should not blame to the Western culture that it is.
Yes,
It is
we are
the
not.
problem of Western culture.
We are not going to tell that if the foreigners came to India to visit the tourist place, so
Yeah.
we are not going to tell that why you are wearing the short dresses and why you are adapting. Some of the foreigners, they wear the saris and they wear dhoti and kurtas.
For your
so we
planning
are
for-
not going to tell him why you are adopting the Indian culture and why you came
So
there.
according to you, you want that if the Indian people are going to the Western country, we should wear there the filthy dresses as per them. If you are expecting from them to wear the sari and suits, then we have also
Yes,
the
of
need.
course. I am comfortable that I am wearing the niqab.
What are you
I am
saying?
here.
What first remind? What are you saying? That when we are, I am not interested to wearing the filthy dresses and the short dresses. So if I wear USA, I wear that type of dresses as per them.
Means if see, saying that if you're going in America, will you wear the short dresses? Like you are saying that they are adopting our culture, so you will also adopt their culture.
It's upon the person.
It's up
So
to the
you are
person.
saying
Yes,
that
sir.
if they come here, they wear sari, then it's where the wish of the person, where's the want of the person. Here's the compulsion, na?
Has a compulsion to wear like sari.
Yeah.
No,
She's saying they're
no,
adopting.
no.
She's saying if
no.
the tourists come in our India.
Adoptability.
No,
they,
no, no.
they like. That's what they're wearing.
They like.
They
If
like.
I'm comfortable and I like to wear the niqab and the hijab, so I can wear. Even if I go to the.
So that's why we are saying it is not the fault of Western culture that we are going to wear the short dresses. It's as per the choice of the people.
Right.
If they want, they can wear. If they don't want, no one can force you even.
Of course. What is wrong in Western culture? Just name one thing so that we can have a question.
Yeah.
You're having on race. She has proved. Akansha, what will you say about Westernization? Why are you so against?
I'm not.
Everyone not against the Indian culture or the Western culture. Everyone is.
The
what
topic
we
is
are-
to be against.
Yes, sir. The topic is because in this panel we are against with each other, but as a mindset we are not against with
Of
each
course,
other.
yes. But we have to be today to speak exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Akanksha, and today I am favor the Indian culture is best because I live in India, so I feel proud to be Indian and follow the culture. We are the running is in Indian culture. We respect everyone. Because in Indian culture, the like Vasudev Kutumbakam, one earth, one nation. So we are we cannot decline the other countries' culture. We follow our path only. We cannot decline the other countries' culture, other country rituals. We only follow the what we like to wear, what we do to wear. Like our education system is very good because Adi Sankaracharya
the person who is discovered the zero, and the Sushruta who discovered the plastic surgery. He is the born in India. They are following their Indian culture, and they are grow the education system as a highest peak. Like you all are listen somewhere. The Nalanda University is burned with someone, because in Nalanda University there are lots of books. We teach our student. So when our student make our nation to be great in comparison to other countries, but Britishers are not like that. They burned the Nalanda University, because I listened the one incident when one king is injured somewhere. So he came to in a Nalanda University. There are there is one person. He teach that give me some medicine, so I can get well. So he tell that you read this book and follow them. The bacteria and the pages are like that much powerful. He will after some days. So he think that the power of this book, the power of book is he burned the whole university, whole library of the Indian books. So that much power we have in an education system in India, and we follow the relationship. We take the relationship very serious. You are said that like if in Western culture we are free to love someone and marriage with him. So in India we are organize a swamvar, which girls choose their loved one, and she get married with what she likes. So it shows the Indian culture is very great, and in Indian culture we give the equal rights to the women, and we can worship also the women, like Shiva and the Krishna they shows that the women are the half power of him, and half not, he is the full power of him, because Lord Shiva said that the Shakti half, he is the half women and half women, the half power of present in his wife. So that is why Indian culture is best.
Fantastic. Wow, very nice. Mr. Sehbaz, what would you like to say?
Hello everyone. Thank you CAP sir for organizing these panel talks. Sir, our team is in favor of Western culture.
Right.
So I want to say that if we want to grow our nation, we have to follow some good thing. It is from Indian culture or is it from Western culture?
Right.
So if we want to grow our Indian culture, we have to follow the Western cultures. Western rituals, Western modern techniques to grow our nation. So we have to follow these technologies and more other things to grow our nation. And it is we cannot say that ki Western cultures are bad.
You should
because
talk to her. And she has already said that we have the things to develop the country.
Because
why do we need Western culture?
like Miss Akansha said that plastic surgery are developed by Western.
No,
How
it is developed by the Indian. Sushruta introduced the plastic surgery first in Indian. you read the
by the Westerns, but the
discovery is by the Sushruta.
But the modification are done by the Westerns.
No.
Idea was brought.
Yes, the idea is taken by the Indian culture.
Yes.
zero.
So
Making zero number.
and sir, even like sir, if we hate Western culture, we have to stop using Western toilets also.
So why are you?
Why are you using that? Change the topic. Yeah, sir. No, this is the point. This is the point.
Yes, sir, na?
Okay.
So stop using the mobile phone, stop using the Facebook, which are from Westerns. Stop using all the social medias.
This is modern.
It is not culture.
culture.
Sir, I want to answer back to Ms. Akansha that you are presenting the Satyug Kal.
Yes.
Okay, she is a half part of the Miss Parvati and the power that we are respecting women. we are called Radha Krishna, we are called Siya Ram. It is a Satyug, but it's a Kalyug. At that time, the need arises in the Indian culture to respect women.
That is why we are adapting the Western culture. We forget the Indian culture. That is why
We are
these things go through.
These things are also come in the Indian culture.
Not in the Indian culture.
Foreigner also adopting Indian culture. You are going to Mathura. you are
That's
going-
why we are presenting that if they are able to adapt the good thing from our culture, so why we are not
We are
able to
not
adapt
think
their
that
culture?
the Western culture is good. That is why we are not adapting.
To making India the initiative of Honorable Prime Minister
Western
Narendra
culture
Damodar
is
Modi.
only run through the economy, build the economy. They cannot focus on the spiritual quality. They are
But we
fighting
are
for the
but
economy
we
only.
are- But we
They
are as
make
Indian
their
people,
children-
but we are as Indian people are also respecting our respecting our spirituality, also see our
They
economy.
cannot respect the spirituality
as
in
we are-
America.
as our initiative
in
is-
any other country, you visit that the church or the vacant, empty. They one person cannot visit the
We are
because
not
they
saying
cannot
that-
believe.
we are
They
not saying
cannot-
that-
they are not spiritual. Why you said that they are spiritual? They are only
I
focused
am
on
not
the
saying that
economy
they are
of their.
I am saying that our initiative, the initiative of our whole nation to be making India as a Vishwaguru, how you can compete with another country if you have not the knowledge
Well,
of language?
you
if
are
you have
thinking
not
that you
the
made
knowledge
the India
that we complete the
Vishwaguru.
point. Yeah.
Vishwaguru. We developed this quality with the spirituality. We cannot follow only the money, economics only. We cannot
It is
develop
a
our
need of
nation
our
as the
nation. It is a need of our
Vishwaguru.
nation to.
It is the need, but it is not the only need.
Of course, yes.
It is not only the need. We have.
developed by various ways.
Yes.
So we are developing our India by various ways. Like if we want to make our country the Vishwaguru, we have to follow the even other countries'
We have to
language.
follow. We
Yes.
have to make our own things. To
Our
develop
things.
country.
Why can we?
If we have not the knowledge,
Yes, sir.
if we have not the knowledge of
don't have
language,
to
we
be-
have.
We
to
have
talk to
knowledge.
them.
We have knowledge.
We have to make this.
You
If
think
you
that
are
you don't have.
I am not expressing it that we have not the knowledge. I am saying that if you want to compete with any other nation in the world, and if you want to be the Vishwaguru of the whole
Let the
world,
people
Let-
compete.
think.
You, why are you competing?
I said one
This is
thing.
the problem. You don't have to compete.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the problem.
I said one thing. In COVID-19, we like in Indian culture, there are lots of varieties in food. We developed our humanity is very good in comparison to the other people. So in COVID-19, we can tackle easily in comparison to other.
Yeah.
Because we have the different way. Then we are follow the Western culture. How can we develop our immunity high?
following any other culture, not fully in a half way, it doesn't mean that we are not respecting our culture. Now, I mentioned it first. Like you are saying that
The topic itself is not about respecting anyone or disrespecting
Yes.
someone. It is all about the culture where we should.
Sir,
go for.
like respecting a woman in our Indian culture, the sati pratha, where the women are burnt easily.
Yeah, this is-
It is mentioned.
It is bad.
Women have
But we
not
are-
the right. Women have not the right to education. It is given by the Western culture. We have not the university.
We accept that our flaws and the Bhimrao Ambedkar developed the constitution and they fight for the women. We accept our flaws. But
Akansha, I agree with your point.
And we
I
accept
agree.
that.
Yes.
You respect B.R. Ambedkar?
Yes.
You respect Ramki Gandhi?
Yes.
You respect Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? All are
Not-
studied from the Western universities. All are. M.K. Gandhi is studied from the Africa. They are BLLB. Then come to India by adapting their good things. They come to India. They got to know that how Western countries are dealing their country. That's why they are able to
Living
that's
your
why-
culture
that's
does not
why-
mean that you don't see the other.
You see, we'll be stopping now. Other people have to speak. Yes.
Like when we talk about brotherhood, it's good to look about brotherhood in our culture. But what we say about we are fighting on religions in our country, we are just saying that we are having good brotherhood and we are just fighting on religions or Hindu and Muslims. And when we're talking about the court marriages, what you want to say on the wasting of foods in parties, in marriages, there are lots of.
Right? She has already told about court marriage. She already. Yes.
It's Indian weddings. In Indian weddings, there are lots of stuff, but
Understood that.
they are wasting foods. Sometimes they are just wasting
Buffet system.
food.
Yes, sir. Where is come?
Buffet system.
Even also,
But after some
Indians are
many of their locations there are not a buffet system is available.
They pray the food.
Food.
They are pray the food.
Before eating, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yes, sir.
We
They are
worship.
food.
This is our culture.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. They
of
don't.
course.
That's why they don't waste the food.
Yes.
But in the Western culture, they think that this is my food,
Buffet
and
system,
they
yes.
just eat a little bit in the plate and just
Buffet
throw.
system where
At
it
least
comes
in
from
India,
buffet system.
at
Buffet
least-
system is a Western culture.
Yes, that's
Buffet system is a Western culture.
That's why they are wasting the food.
Buffet system is the Western culture, but before some time when Western culture is not adopted in India, we just serving food guest and just when food is balanced or reaches the food is just waste.
No,
We
we
were-
asked. We asked.
How much do you want?
yes.
Then
Two
we
roti.
serve.
Take it, please.
Yes.
Take it please and just the Indian people are just take 2 puris, 3 puris and just eat 1 puri and just waste 2
It
puris.
is possible in buffet system.
In buffet system.
No, it's not whatever.
You are making just words only. You are making your own words.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Of course. Try to know that.
Like you are presenting that in India there are 152 types of languages are spoken in all over the India. Okay, so if I want to go in any other country like Madras, then I learn Madrasi in a one day. It is possible. In Western country, it is not. There is only one language. They speak it well, and all
language.
But learning English is possible in one day. And you said that the Bhimrao Ambedkar went to the went to the another country.
Yeah.
We introduced the zero. Why you are using?
Yes.
Is really is, I would like to ask you. You are very spiritual. You are from Indian culture. You are supporting it. Is really Aryabhat invent zero?
Yes.
He is not. If he is, then how is
discovered the zero?
Then
10.
how in Satyug? It is a scientific question. How in this Satyug there is a 10 is head of Ravan is produced?
When we are talking discovery of zero, we think one person.
It is a
another
scientific
name is not
question.
known.
It is a scientific question. I would like to ask you.
So why you said when we recognize
In our culture is really unity nowadays. We are only fighting. Just
no,
because-
we are not fighting.
We are fighting.
In language, we are diverse. In season, we are diverse. In like colors, we are diverse. But still, we are together and live with the love.
Of course.
We are not living together. That's why there is a need. That's why it is a need
We are
arises.
not here.
Muslim, Hindu.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, Muslim, Hindu,
Yes.
Buddhist.
Yes.
Of course.
So I
Sikh,
it means
Christian.
that we are
Yes.
there, so just we fight.
We are living
If we are not diverse,
So-
then
so what is-
the
Yes,
Waldorf
of
Institute?
course.
The Waldorf Institute is only for the Muslim or only for the Hindu?
It
Not
is for
only
everyone.
the-
Yes.
For
It
the
is for
all the
everyone.
people.
India is for everyone.
Yes.
Of course, yes. Of course, you can.
If the Indian culture is best, okay?
Yes.
And each and everything is super fabulous, then why the need arises of women employment? Why the need arises to respect our culture? Why the need arises unity? To talk about unity? Why the need arises to develop your skill? Why the need arises to know something more about India? Why the need arises to respect you?
For you, the culture meaning is stay at one place, not adapt yourself with the time. You said that we are develop the skills. Why we develop the skill in the environment? Every country develop the new skill because it's the time to requirement.
That's what we are
is
talking
why.
about.
It is
In this
not the
modern era,
culture.
in this
The
modern era,
skill
it is
skill-
arise.
Adapting skill is not the culture.
According to you, that there should not be modernization.
Yes.
We are supporting modernization. That's why we are saying Western culture is good.
We are
Culture means that they give the path to live the correct way.
yes.
And you said that
According to time, we have to adapt
Adapt.
ourselves. Of course.
and learning skills is not the particular culture.
Of course, yes.
That's why, sir, we are saying that we are modernized. So why we should not adopt the good things of a Western
We are
culture?
modernizing according
Learning
to ourselves.
skill, yes.
According to ourselves, according to our culture, according to our lifestyle we are adopting. Yes,
good things,
we
but
are
we are
modernizing
Yes.
according to our ways.
Yes, according to
choice.
our ways.
According to time, we are modernizing ourselves.
Only one thing.
Why to westernize?
Culture is not about to just stuck in the ancient time. It is everywhere. We have to aware. We have to learn everything.
Of course, yes.
Day by day. The time is passed. We learn everything. We have to learn. Then we get modernization.
Yes.
And modernization doesn't mean that when we accept the Western culture, then we are modernized.
So what is
No.
bad in Western culture? What is bad in
See,
Western
nothing
culture?
is bad
Nothing
there.
is bad. We are not talking about that Western culture is bad.
It is a choice of people that they are adapting the Western
Why you are
culture.
considered that we are here to against the Western
Okay,
culture?
we agree that you are not here for against the Western culture.
Yes, of course.
So it is also the
You-
choice
one
of
second.
people, na?
Let me define what. Sorry. Let me define about. You. We are not getting the point exactly. Again, we are fighting. Adopt. Why not? Adopt. Why not? She has a very good nose ring. Can I put it here? Can I? Not at all. If in compulsion I can do that, but I don't like it.
Yes,
and
I don't
I'm a boy, right? But I have my own things to do that. So here in India we have our own things to do that. We are modernizing ourselves according to our choice.
According to
But
our
it doesn't mean that I will wear your nose ring.
Yes.
I have my own thing.
yes, I have
I'm
my
gonna
own
do.
choice.
Yes, of course. But you're forcing them to come in our Western.
Yes, Western is good.
We are not forcing.
You said.
We are not forcing.
Western is
We are saying just
You are
make it the
prioritizing
mixture of.
your-
We just make the mixture of Indian culture with the Western culture with the good qualities of Western culture, by which we can succeed all over the world.
What is the good qualities in Western culture?
Yes. Please do.
Their language. They have the one language by which they are not.
Yes.
Language is the
Language
culture,
is the
sir.
medium.
Language is the culture.
Media to
Soumya.
Language is the culture.
If for them English is their culture, of course Hindi is
For
our culture.
us,
Yes. But we are learning English. So it means we are adopting their culture.
That's why we are saying it doesn't mean that we are adapting their culture. So why we are saying that Western culture is not good?
ठीक है. Okay. One is language. Second one.
They are as per the choice of their dress code.
So in India we have the
Independency.
choice.
Independency. The child are from the age of 18 and 19, they are going to be self-dependent, and it's a need arising in our Indian culture to make people
Self-dependent, but
self-dependent.
they are using drugs because their parents are not
The
taking.
choice of people, each and every person is not
Akanksha, you cannot finger out a person that you are.
and if you are against the
Because
Western
the parents
culture,
are left their children in a
What-
very short.
what are you?
No, because of
So why?
no, sir. Because
It means the Indian origin who are living in America, like Rishi Sunak, Ajay Birla sirs, all are the druggers. They are also getting independent. They
I'm
also
not
get
saying that
independent.
they are doing. They are in Western culture. Most of the families are left their children in a very younger age. So the children are adapting their own self, and you said that lots of places there are not like American peoples are not there. Indian people are, because they are find that in India lots of knowledge are present. That is why they put the higher post, put the Indians on the highest post.
They are also following the Western culture. Rishi Sunak is following the Western culture. That's why they are there.
Let's not talk about one person. She's talking about like they are leaving their parents, right?
Yes.
What about in India? We have old age houses.
Because we are adapting
Even
the
more than
Western
other
culture.
United countries.
Please talk to her.
Even in more than other Western countries, and even more than some, we have the old age homes in India.
India, of course. Yes.
Because we are adapting the Western culture. We are.
Everything is just blaming the Western culture.
bad, it is because of Western culture.
Yes, sir, because we see
Stop
the nuclear
watching
family in the Western culture.
Stop watching movies. Bollywood is also supporting the Western culture. Stop watching movies. Stop eating pizza, burger, Maggie, chowmin. Stop using the super.
That is why you drink the CO2, carbon dioxide you are drink, and we are adapting the, like we drink the milk, water, and the Western are drink the
It is also
CO2.
it is also the fault of
carbon
Western culture.
dioxide. They
It is also
are
the fault of Western culture.
Yes, this is the fault of Western culture.
What are
The
you saying?
Coca-Cola, the
What are you
Coca-Cola
saying?
companies come in Western culture. It is not made up in India.
महिला की आवाज होती है.
Sir, it is our choice to adopt, na?
Even our Indian
come over here to drink that carbon dioxide.
महिला की आवाज सुनो पहले.
They are the less drinks of drinking something, but in Indian culture there's a lots of drinks like milks and many of the things. So why so you are adopting in Western culture, so this is not a compulsion, this is your up to the choice. If you want to drink, then drink. If you don't want to drink, don't drink. Why you are adopting Western culture?
I'm not adapting.
I don't.
You didn't drink cold.
Yes.
So why you are adopting Western culture?
I'm
If
not
you-
adapting. I didn't take.
You are
Let her speak. Yes. Sabila, say something. Yes. Kishan also must say yes.
I don't drink.
Personalize मत हो आप लोग. Done.
Don't personalize.
थोड़ा सा. Yes. Done. Yes. By the way, come to the conclusion.
Indian culture is best. But with the
Sir, be proud to be an Indian.
See, can you give me pen, please? I will say only one thing. Nothing is bad.
yes, sir.
It is you to decide what is bad. So Western culture is also fantastic. Indian culture is also fantastic. But it is something that we are attached with. That's why we love
And for
it.
the group, we need
Maybe they can also say that in your culture this is bad, this is bad. But this is not we to decide about anybody that he's bad or he's wrong. Right? Everything is good. Sometimes everything is bad. But it is you, it is up to you that how do you see that. Right? So that it's not about that. But nice to see. Hello, mister. What happened to you? You are looking like Justin Bieber. You should speak.
go there.
Yes, ma'am.